Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Replit for HTML and CSS development in 2026. Replit makes web development incredibly simple. You can build and preview websites directly in your browser without installing any software. Let's get started. First, open Replit and log into your account. From your dashboard, click Create and choose the HTML, CSS, JavaScript template. This template provides you with three essential files: index.html for your page structure, style.css for your design and styling, and script.js for adding interactive features later. In the index.html file, you can write your basic website markup, add headings, paragraphs, images, or any HTML elements you need. Then, switch over to style.css to customize colors, backgrounds, fonts, and layouts. You can target elements using tags, classes, or IDs to apply your styles. Here's a time saver. Click on the Tell AI What to Do bar and type something like create a landing page layout or design a colorful portfolio page. Replit's AI will instantly generate both HTML and CSS code that you can customize to your liking. Hit the Run button at the top, and your website will appear in the live preview pane on the right side of your screen. The best part? Every time you make a change to your code, the preview updates automatically in real time. Once you're satisfied with your website, click Share to generate a live link that you can send to anyone. And that's how you use Replit for HTML and CSS in 2026. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.